Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please do like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. So like today we're doing puzzle number 6. And for this box here we're only missing a 3. For this box we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so that makes this our 4. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row, we're only missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4. No help here, 2, 3, 4, 2 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. That means we can get rid of this 4. For this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this bottom row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 8, 1. This 4 makes this our 2, 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.